Hello beautiful people, you are warmly welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, today we are making lavender and rosemary mint bar soap. This is a cold process bar soap, and I am going to be leaving the recipe under this video. If you are interested, let's get started. You are warmly welcome back from that short commercial break. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to melt down my solid oils. So in this, I am using shea butter and cocoa butter as one of all. These are my solid oils. So I'm just going to put these in the microwave, and then I'm going to melt it down. Then I will come back, and then we can add the rest of my oils. So this is done. The coconut and the shea butter is melted. So the next oil we are adding is our castor oil. As I have said, I will be leaving the recipe on your screen, so just take note of that. And the last but not the least oil is my olive oil. So the olive oil, it's actually now I am adding my olive oil, and then when this is done, we will get to the next step. So one of the ingredients that I will be using in this cold process is kaolin clear powder. The kaolin clear powder is great for the skin. I love to use it because it actually moisturizes the skin and also exfoliates the skin at the same time. So that's what we are doing. And I also took the measurement of my essential oils. So now I am starting my process, or I am starting my cold process, bar soap. What I first do is I'm going to combine my kaolin clear powder with the oils before adding the hydroxide solution. So what I am doing here is very explanatory, just trying to combine the water and the clay together before I get to the next stage. That will make the work easy for you. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this place, I would like you to support this video by giving this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. So now we are getting to the next stage. Now that our kaolin clay powder is well mixed with the oils, what is the next step is to add your sodium hydroxide water to your oils. I normally do this a day before. It makes the work easy. Once again, I forgot to make a video of this, so maybe in another video I can show you. If you don't know how to make your solution, your sodium hydroxide solution, I can make another video for you just showing you that. If you want me to do that, please let me know in the comment section. I would gladly do that. So you can see we are just going to hand stick until our solution or our butter start, we start seeing. When you start seeing your butter, getting traces, that means that you can see that it will be getting a little thicker and thicker. And then you have to know that your soap is ready to pour into your mold. So in this place, I've just added my lavender and my rosemary that we took earlier on. We took measurement of earlier on. I'm just adding these, and I'm going to hand stick again. I'm going to make sure that I am seeing traces. I don't think this video I have any demonstration showing you the traces, but you can see that your butter will get a kind of consistency that is telling you or showing you that I am ready, and you have to pour me, and you have to do it now. So that is the stage that I am in this place. So I'm just going to do some coloring. So I am taking some of the butters. I'm using 3 different colors, so I'm going to take just a little bit of each of these colors, and then I'm going to blend them well, and we're just going to give our soap a kind of color. And because I'm using lavender, I want to go in for the purple and all the the violet color and a little bit of gold. So that's all I am going to be doing. So I want you to just take a note and see what I'm doing. The rest is just self-explanatory. This is the place where I'm pouring the main butter, the base butter, which is without color. So I'm just going to pour this first, and then the next one is just a kind of demonstration and giving life and color to our soup. That's it. If today is your first time watching me, this place, what we do is we do our own DIYs. We create products here, very organic products. So if this is something that you like, then I would gladly ask you or recommend this platform for you to just subscribe and hit on your notification to all, so that whenever I upload my videos, you can have them, and you can watch them at the comfort of your home or in your office or any place that you are. Again, if you have watched this video up to this place, I would like you to like this video, support this video, push this video, comment below this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you are going to try this recipe, and I will be glad to have you share those experiences with me. I also have some links below this video from my Amazon shop. If you want to buy any of these things, you have to know that this is my affiliate links. I am going to make a little bit a little coins on those. It's another way of supporting this channel, buying from my vendors, or buying from the people, or some of the product that I have used myself and bought and will recommend to you. But you also have to know that any of these purchases is on your own risk. If you don't like them, we are not the same, but I will gladly would want you to support by using these links to make your purchases, so your girl can make some coin over your purchase. Thank you for that love that you have shown this platform, and I love all of you for being here. Without you, I am not here. So please let me know if you have any question in the comment section. So guys, this is our final product. I'm just cutting this. This is an order from one of my customers, and I'm glad to share the experience with you, or the process with you once again. In 3 weeks, these products will be finally ready to be used. I'm going to cure these for 3 weeks, and then I'm going to post it to my customer. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your subscriptions. This will bring us to the end of another video, and I will leave you here, and I will see you in my next video. Shalom, peace, bye bye, and enjoy the rest of the video.